Welcome back to the Sweatshop. Today we get to have some fun and pick this piece of junk up with my forklift. I like picking things up with my forklift. Makes me happy. As you can see, this particular person had a really bad day. They rolled over a few times into a ditch. So that's a lesson for you out there. Pay attention to what you're doing and don't be under the influence. Anyhow, we're gonna unstrap it, unhook it from the bed, and then pick it up with one of my favorite toys. And now, all I gotta do is place it on that bucket of crap over here. And there you have it. The easiest way to see what an Outback looks like lowered. You just place another vehicle on it. In this particular instance, it's a Ford Escape. And you see there, it doesn't look half bad. It actually looks pretty decent. A little bit too low in the back though. Oh well, what are you gonna do? If you like the video, please subscribe, like, and share it. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.